Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to change Instagram country or region. So in order to change the Instagram country or region, you guys must have to convert your account into a business account or a creator account. So the first step is we will create a business or creator account. So you guys have to simply go to below right corner of your profile icon, and after tapping on it, here you guys have to simply tap on the top right corner of horizontal lines and click on settings and privacy. So here in the settings and privacy, you guys have to simply scroll down until you find an option which is business tools and controls. So you guys have to simply select that option and click on it. So after tapping on it, here you guys have to simply go to the switch account type section, and in the switch account type I have already created a creator account, so you guys must have to simply tap on the switch to personal account. Here you guys have to simply go to this section which is switch account type. After tapping on it, here you guys have to simply tap on switch to creator account. I have already created a creator account, so there is an option which is switch to personal account, but from your side there will be switch to professional account. So you guys have to simply tap on it and your professional account will be created. So after creating a creator professional account, now you guys have to simply go back and open your profile, and here you guys have to simply tap on edit profile. So in the edit profile section, you guys have to simply go to this, just swipe up little, and here you guys have to simply tap on contact options which is here. So after tapping on it, here you guys have to simply click on business address, and here you guys have to simply add the address, and in this way you guys can change country or region in the Instagram. I hope this method find you well. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.